Tired of rummaging through your kitchen cabinets in search of the right baking pan or cutting board? Say goodbye to clutter and hello to organization with the YouCopia StoreMore adjustable bakeware rack. This innovative organizer is designed to streamline your kitchen storage and make baking a breeze. Let's dive into why the StoreMore adjustable rack is a must-have for any home baker. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and welcome the YouCopia StoreMore adjustable bakeware rack into your kitchen. Streamlined storage solution. The StoreMore adjustable bakeware rack is the perfect solution for keeping your bakeware collection neat and organized. With 7 adjustable dividers, you can customize the rack to fit pans, baking sheets, cutting boards, and more. Say goodbye to cluttered cabinets and hello to streamlined storage with this space-saving organizer. Protects your bakeware. No more scratches or dents on your favorite baking pans and cutting boards. The StoreMore rack features coated steel dividers that prevent scratching and keep your bakeware in pristine condition. The sturdy base ensures that even delicate non-stick pans stay damage-free and ready to use. With the StoreMore rack, your bakeware is always protected and easily accessible. Secure and stable. Worried about your bakeware slipping and sliding around in the cabinet? Not with the StoreMore rack. Soft, non-slip feet hold the rack securely in place so you can pull out any pan or board without worry. The open base design keeps round pans centered, ensuring maximum stability and ease of use. Quick and easy setup. No tools or installation required. Simply pull the StoreMore rack out of the box, add the dividers, and load your bakeware. With just a few minutes of setup, your kitchen will be more organized than ever before. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to convenience with the StoreMore rack. In conclusion, the YouCopia StoreMore adjustable bakeware rack is a game changer for any home baker. With its customizable dividers, scratch-resistant design, secure base, and easy setup, this rack makes organizing your kitchen a breeze. Say goodbye to cluttered cabinets and hello to effortless baking with the StoreMore rack. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.